So guys, I have been working at this all morning and it's about 1:30 p.m. in the afternoon right now. And that was the old steam cleaner. It doesn't pull up the water anymore, so I have no choice but to run out on a blistering 33 degrees Celsius day and look for another one, because if I don't suck up that dirty water from the room that I've been trying to do, I don't want to think about it. Hi guys, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel and to an episode of my messy Italian kitchen. I'm about to tell you why I'm on my way out to find a new carpet steamer, a carpet shampooer, and something that's not going to be very heavy and very reliable. I'm kind of in a rush because as I've been trying to explain to you in the other clip, I managed to, yesterday I did 2 rooms and it pulled out the dirty water perfectly. And so I was so pleased to get all that work done. And however, today when I went into the master bedroom, I did shampoo the carpet in there and mostly pulled up cat hair, but it refused to suck out all the dirty water. And so I don't understand why. Because it's such a heavy steam cleaner, I think what I want to do is I want to see if I can find something a little smaller, a little lighter, a little easier on my back, and maybe not quite as old as this one that I have. My mother purchased this some 2 decades ago. Yeah, it's kind of old. Now, I have been checking around because I realized even previous to this that this steam cleaner is quite old and quite clunky. I don't think it can take much more work. So I've been looking at these steam cleaners and they're pretty pricey. What I don't know if I want is the cordless. I prefer to go with a cord like that. I know it's always going to be charged up, or at least I hope it is. And so I'm going to be checking 1, maybe 2 places. I know the first place that I checked a few days ago was very pricey, and so I'm going to check another place. So come on inside with me. And so this distraction is very frustrating, to say the least. It seems that no matter what I do or how quickly I work, I can't seem to manage to get my place in functioning and clean order. No matter what I try to do, there's always some obstacle. Either I don't have the right cleansers, or I don't have the proper shelf paper, or I don't have enough of this or enough of that, or the appropriate whatever. I'm constantly going to the dollar store and our grocery store to pick up the proper products that I need to clean my place up. Not that it's been that messy or dirty. It's just that it's time for a very deep cleansing once over, because I remember doing this the last time I did this deep cleaning was just before my mother passed, and it was so dirty, guys. And so I don't want it to get to that point anymore. And you know, all those little tight corners that are black and filthy, yeah, that's all gonna change. And it's been so difficult to get to the point where I'm pleased with my progress. It's been slow and I'm not that pleased yet, but it's coming along. It's also very frustrating because it's bad timing for me. My steam cleaner, old as it is, chose to tell me now of all times that it's not going to do any more work for me. And so, of course, it's vital that if I want a clean house, I need to have the floors properly cleansed. I need to get the broom and scrub in between all those little cracks in the designing of the floor and my kitchen tiles. I have to use a broom, guys, because otherwise it doesn't come clean. And that's hard work. Moving my garden around and getting in front of all those, getting right at all of those cracks. It's been a nightmare for me. No matter what I do, there's always 10 other things that I still need to do to get the job properly done. So to say the least, a steam cleaner for the carpet is enormously expensive, and nothing is under $300, or at least nothing worth buying. So I didn't want to spend any more money on major purchases at this moment, because I don't know if I've told you yet or not, I'm thinking of redoing my kitchen and maybe my bathroom before my kitchen. So right now is a time where I don't need to be making any major purchases. However, I can't put this off. I have to suck out all that dirty water that this old vacuum steam cleaner did not pull out. And so it's giving me the cringes. I have to hurry up and do this. So, are you ready to go have a look? I can't decide. So guys, this is it. This is the new steam cleaner that I picked up. And if it doesn't work, or if it works the same way that this one in my hallway does, I'm gonna bring it right back. And that's another reason why I wanna get right into this and see how it operates. I hate doing this. I hate getting used to a whole new other appliance, but I have no choice. I need it. And so the word that really attracted me was this word right here, lightweight. Although I can tell you right now, I don't believe it. I'm struggling already, and it's not even out of the box. So what I just showed you was all the fur and dirt that the other older steam cleaner just wasn't dealing with at all. And I think I'm very pleased with this particular model, because it sucks up the water. And here, let me show you. I'll prove it to you. So, yeah, there you go. Now you understand why I didn't feel exactly clean without having all that water sucked out from the dirty carpets, because, you know, with a house filled with dirty carpets or dirty water in the carpets, it's just not, I could not stand the thought of living with that. And so I'm finally pleased to announce that I think I've gotten the carpet issue area of the housework pretty much under control. My hair is completely soaked. To do this on a day, even with air condition, outside it's about 34, 35 degrees Celsius, and the air conditioner is not cooperating very well. So I have to take a little break, and so that brings us to the end of this vlog. Thank you so much for listening and watching, and thanks for helping me choose the perfect steam cleaner for my home. Micha and I really need it. I'm so glad all that fur is out of the carpet, and maybe now I can go and do the armchair. Yeah, that's a great idea. So anyway, I'll talk to you very soon in another vlog. Thank you very much for listening and watching, and please subscribe if you would like to stay updated with the adventures of my topsy-turvy life. I don't know. I am planning it. I don't know if I'm actually going to post them. I've already filmed several home renovation vlogs of me shopping and discussing things with merchants and other people who are skilled in doing what I want them to do. But I'm not sure that I've come to any sort of decision, so I'm going to leave that in the air for now. I don't know what I have coming up next, but stay tuned anyway. Okay, take care and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye.